The two sensors that come included with the OSI Mini Alarm System should already be pre-configured, meaning they should already show as connected to the Smart Hub set with the recommended settings. To confirm that the sensors are already connected, just open up the Smart Life app. Select the OSI Mini Alarm device. Then select Accessories. Then select the Detectors tab. Detectors is where all the connected sensors are listed. If you see two sensors listed here, you should see the first one listed here with the name Door Sensor and the second one with the name Motion Sensor. These will already be set up with the recommended settings. You could change the name of the sensor to whatever you'd like, such as Back Door, Front Door, Living Room Motion, or Kitchen Motion, for example. Whatever you name the sensor here is the name that will show up on the notification when your alarm is triggered. If there are no sensors connected and the detectors page looks like this, or you want to add more additional sensors, please follow along. Before we start, I want to mention a few important things. Firstly, if you're adding sensors for the first time, we recommend connecting door/window sensors first. Secondly, if you already have active sensors installed and are adding new sensors, please turn off all motion PIR sensors first. Motion PIR sensors give off a constant signal, therefore it will confuse the OSI Mini Hub when adding new sensors. Okay, let's begin adding the door sensor. Right now, the detector tab should be selected. On the back of the door sensor, move the switch to the on position. Now press the plus icon on the top right corner.
Please trigger the sensor.
The OSI Mini Hub is now in pairing mode and the timer has now started. On the back of the door sensor, press the black protruding button.
Sensor pairing succeed.
It says Device Add Success. So select Confirm.
Storage succeed.
Now you can see that the door sensor has been added. The default name is Detector 0. If you rather change the name to something else, such as Front Door, I'll show you how to do that. Select the sensor name Detector 0. Select Sub-Device Name. Then enter the name you want to call the sensor. I'm going to call it Front Door. Select Save. Now select Device Type. Because we're using this as a door sensor, we will select Door Alarm. If you're going to install this on the window, you would select Window Alarm. It's very important to choose Door Alarm or Window Alarm for this specific sensor. Otherwise, the sensor will not work properly. So let's select Door Alarm. Press Confirm. Now select Zone Attribute. Zone Attribute is the customized operation given to each sensor. For any window or door sensor, the recommended setting is alrm active. This setting will make the sensor active when you arm the system by pressing away, such as when you're leaving the house, or when you arm the system by pressing home, such as when you're going to bed. Alrm active is selected now, so press Confirm. Then press Save.
Storage succeed.
It says Save Success, so press Confirm. The door sensor is now connected with the correct settings. Okay, let's do a quick test to make sure the sensor is working, so let's press the back button. Now before we arm the system, make sure that both sides of the sensor are close together. Now let's arm the system and press Home.
System armed.
Now that the system's armed, let's pull both sides of the sensor apart. Okay, now that we know that it works, press the Alarm Remove button, which will disarm it. And that's it. The door sensor is connected and working.
Well, we hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please give us a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop us a comment below. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. All the products that you see on our channel are available with free shipping at osigodirect.com or amazon.com. Those links are provided in the description below. My name is Brandon Paris, and thank you for watching.